afternoon, my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, we're going to be discussing estimation for survey sampling, in which estimates population characteristics based on survey data collected from a sample of respondents. So in order to discuss this, we're going to write a program in Python to prove it. And so before we write the program in Python to prove it, we're going to import two libraries. So we're going to import NumPy as NP, which is your numeric library, and we're going to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, which is the visualization library. So after we have imported our libraries, what we're going to do is we're going to create some sample survey data, e.g. age and gender of respondents. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to set our seed. And when you set your seed, what it does is it initializes the values. So every time you run the program, it will start with the same values. So you do that by typing np.random.seed, and then you can put any number that you want in the brackets. And then we're going to define our sample size as being 200. So now we're going to simulate age data. So we're going to have randomly generated data. So ages equals np.random.randint brackets 18, 80, size equals sample sizes. So you're going to have ages between 18 and 80. And now we're going to simulate the gender. So 1 is male and 0 is female. So genders equals np.random.choice brackets square bracket 0, 1, comma, size equals sample size, comma, p equals brackets 0.55, comma, to 0.45. So you have 55% female, 45% male. So we're going to estimate the population characteristics. So mean age equals NP mean ages. Proportion male equals NP.mean genders. Proportion female equals 1 minus proportion male. So we're going to print the results. We're going to print the mean age, the estimated proportion of males, and the estimated proportion of females. And then so the mean age is 49.01 years. The estimated proportion of males is 47%, and the estimated proportion of females is 53%. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plot a graph of the male and the female, and it's going to be a bar graph. So categories equals male, comma, female within square brackets, which is a list. Proportions equals proportion male, comma, proportion female within square brackets, which is a list. And colors is blue, comma, pink within square brackets. And then we plot our figure, plt.figure brackets fig size equals 6, 4. And then we plot bar plot for gender proportions. So plt.bar categories, comma, proportions, comma, color equal colors, comma, alpha equals 0.7. The title is estimated gender proportions from survey data. The Y label is proportion. You have a limit between 0 and 1 because you're dealing with percentages. And plt.grid equals brackets, axis equals Y, comma, line style equals dashes, comma, alpha equals 0.7. And then so you have a for loop here that will put the percentages on top of the bar in the bar chart, and then you can show it. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and show this bar chart. Here's the bar chart. Estimated gender proportions from survey data. So with the males, you have 47%, and with the females, you have 53%. So now we're going to create a histogram of the age distribution. So plt.figure brackets fig size equals 6,4. So we have a histogram of ages. So plt.hist bracket ages, comma, bins equals 10, comma, color equals light green, comma, age color equals black, comma, alpha equals 0.7. Then the title is age distribution of survey respondents. Then X label is age, Y label is frequency, and plt.grid brackets axis equals Y, comma, line style equals dashes, comma, alpha equals 0.7, and then we're going to show it. So this is your age distribution of survey respondents, and so you have ages of people from 18 to 80, and I think 47% of those are male and 53% are female. So that concludes this particular video. The next video we're going to be covering point estimation, so I hope that you decide to watch it.